It's me. I don't know why I did this. Hey guys, it's me, Chloe, and welcome back to Life with a Cocktail. But I got two new buds to show you. Well, one is not new, one is old. I said on my last video where I was talking about Polly dying. It's so sad. Talking about like banana. You guys don't know her yet, so I'm gonna show her. And I got a new surprise for you guys, so I'm so excited. So let's get on to the video. Okay, so the first part I want to show you is Banana because I talked about her. Oh. Here's Banana. She's a little budgie. We don't know how old she is, but she is very hand-tamed. Well, I guess you can call it hand-tamed basically. She's kind of scared of hands, kind of. Well, not really, but like she kind of. But she gets up on your finger right away. Because we got her from a pet store. The cage thing was open, so we were gonna put their hands in there just for this reason, so the budgies could be hand tamed when you get them. So yes, I really like that idea. So she does not bite like at all. Yeah, bite. Yeah. And she's getting these white things on her cheeks. Right there, you see those white things on her cheeks. Right there. But yeah. Oh. But yeah. And we thought she was albino, but she isn't because she has red eyes. It's hard to see. Yeah, but she has red eyes. If her eyes weren't red, then she would have been albino because when they're all yellow or like all white, the albino. Yeah, it's Banana, and you guys can obviously probably tell why I call her Banana because she is all yellow. She is getting white on her, but I still think the name Banana is so cute. But yeah, you like your name? You like your name? She loves kissing. But yeah, here's Banana. Very cute. Here you go. There. Now it's time to show you another little buddy that I'm so excited that I got. I'm so happy. Yeah, we think it's a she, but I'll just tell you. Let me go get her. This is April. Yes. She is a cockatiel, as you guys can tell. Oh wow. Okay, she just flew. Let me try to go get her again, just one more time. But yeah. Here. Okay, so she likes to go on this thing. It was supposed. Oh. Okay, she's on her other perch. But she liked to go on this thing. Yeah. Okay, so she's just going up on my shoulder. But this is April because we got her last week, and I was gonna show her last week, but I didn't want to be like scared. Like I just got her, so like I didn't want to like, you know what I'm trying to say here. My hair's crazy. I'm so sorry about that. But she is 1 month old. She still hasn't got her back feathers in the back of her head. She has like little ones like around her neck and stuff. I wish I can show you guys, but she's just like, and she does bite Kata, but when I say no, like once or twice, she stops. But yeah, she will get up on my finger, and she will get up on my shoulder. She just randomly got up on my shoulder. Right, April? And I think she was by a breeder. I'm not sure, but yeah. We don't know if it's a girl or boy yet. We're thinking that it's a girl because of all its patterns on its wings. See? Oh, okay. And so we think it's a girl, so we name it April. If it is a boy, we're still gonna call it April because that's what we named it. So let me try to show you. Okay. She does not want to go on camera right now. She's cuddling. But she has like baby feathers like around her neck and stuff. Like the little feathers. We did clip all wings, her wings by ourselves. My mom and my dad did. She still can kind of fly, but like as you guys could tell, she was flying. But yeah, so that's who I want to show you. Let me go get Banana. You know, we need her in our life right now. Okay, so we come here. Come here. Oh, she's kind of like a fingerboard. Yeah. Yeah. April. April. Look at the camera. You know. Anyways. So this is April and Banana. Yeah. So I hope you guys like this video and. Oh, look at them. No. Okay, I think that'd be good. Okay, that scared me a minute. They're being cute. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this video and subscribe. And yeah, and bye.